Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for Ramadan because this is like the month where you like work in your inner peace, like you have like a peaceful mind, you pray, you make dua, everything. Like this is like the one month that I love the most, mashallah. So, and I feel like it came so fast from last year. So this year I'm gonna work so hard on like becoming a better Muslim and praying more, making sure that I like make more du'as. I feel like I've been taking it for granted for a very long time. Like I would just be like, yeah, I'm fasting, pray my salahs and just go about my day. But this time I want to really take my time with it. I want to start reading the Quran, I want to be going to Taraweeh, I want to start wearing the hijab full, and I want to start wearing abaya. So hopefully I'm able to like achieve a lot of things in this month. Have you also noticed like when this month comes, like Ramadan, like you become so much more peaceful within yourself? Or is it just me? But I want to wish you guys all a happy Ramadan. Make sure you make the most of it, enjoy it, spend a lot of time with your family, make du'as for your family and your friends, look out for each other and everything that comes with Ramadan. So hopefully I'm going to be trying to do like the 30-day vlog, like an everyday vlog of Ramadan, hopefully if I can. So this part, like I'm going to show you guys a couple things. Well, one thing that I did before Ramadan started. My niece was here and then we just went out for like brunch and stuff, so you guys are going to see that. And then I'm going to do like a whole vlog of like my first day of fasting. So that was very shambolic, just wait for it. But yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the video. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday today. I was going to say Saturday for some weird reason, but anyway, I'm gonna go out to go take my niece out and we're gonna go breakfast, brunch, depends what time I get ready and pick her up. Then we got like a lunch date, whatever, with my other cousin. So it's going to be like a spend a day with me. We're gonna get ready. I am so exhausted. I just wanted to stay in bed today. I was gonna vlog yesterday because we went out for brunch, but brunch happened at like 4 or 5 o'clock. Didn't happen at the restaurant that we were meant to go, so I thought let me not even record and not even bother. So today is going to be a good day because I left my bed 2 times this weekend, like Saturday and Sunday. Normally I like to stay in bed and not leave my bed. I have work tomorrow, so yeah, let's get ready and start the day. As I finally got ready, I did like this pinky makeup and I wore all black because I cannot be asked today. But yeah, I'm gonna go and pick up my niece now. I'm like 30 minutes behind schedule, but it is what it is. And then we're gonna go get some food and everything, so let's have a good day. I'm driving to go pick up my niece. There's so much traffic. I don't know why there's traffic on a Sunday. People should be in their bed. I don't know why everybody's outside. Like, I don't get it. Like literally it's a non-moving traffic. Like I don't get it. Wait, I am so hungry. I just got to my niece, so she's staying at my cousin's house, so I'm gonna go pick her up there. I'm gonna quickly go inside and say hi to everyone, and then we are gonna be on our way. Anyway guys, so I just picked up the girls. One of them is here, you can't even see it, and then the other one is in the back. It's so dark anyway guys, but we are on our way to Dover in North London to get some breakfast, brunch. It's like 2:30. I don't think we're gonna get brunch, but anyway, so yeah, I'll let the girls show you guys around.
Oh, it's me. Welcome back to my second time on your YouTube, right? This is my second time.
Yeah.
Well, I've been here before. The one and only niece, Hiba.
Hi.
This is my first time vlogging, right? And I wanted to ask my auntie, because she's my aunt. She's my aunt. Some random.
Old, you know?
Huh?
Sounds very old, innit?
No.
No, as in like.
You know, I brag about having sexy aunties because not everyone can say that.
No, but like, you know, in your head you would think,
yeah.
Or if you say, oh, auntie, it would be someone old. Don't you think?
Yeah.
That's how
I hear you. But anyways, like I said, I've never done this before. It's my first time. So bear with me when it comes to lightning. When it comes to holding the camera, right? It's gonna be a bit not like normal today, but it'll be fun.
Anyway guys, so Dough Bar is closed and we are stuck in some crazy traffic, so we are going to Cobblers. I think it's called Cobblers. Yeah. So I've never been, seen it on TikTok, but I hope it's good food because I am hungry now. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm really hungry. This is breakfast.
Did you even have breakfast?
No.
No, you didn't. Wow, I had breakfast. I had pancakes.
Having?
I'm not gonna have a full English breakfast.
Okay, Suaad. If you had a dream destination, where would that be?
Dream destination I want to go to? It would have to be Bora Bora.
Why?
Because I don't know, I need like blue sea.
Okay, 2023 year resolution, is that what you say?
My new year resolution is less sleep.
Did you make a vision board?
Yes, I did. Do you want to see?
Yeah. Do you want to share it?
I don't know, you can't see anyway.
You can.
But it's very dark. But it's like drink water, make money, go to the gym, buy myself expensive bags, whatever, get my own place, get a new car, buy myself more flowers. I haven't bought myself flowers.
I love that.
And then
okay, so what do you do to stay consistent?
Yeah, so what I did now, I bought myself like a notebook where I write down. So I already planned most of my content till December. Well, hopefully. So at least now I can look at it and be like, oh, this one. And because I have it on my phone, I can see
it's a reminder.
Yeah, every morning I can be like, yeah, I have to do this. So that's how I'm going to stay consistent.
I love
Hopefully.
that. I love that. And you, Nugget?
I just want to be alive.
You just want to be alive?
Yeah.
You just want to be happy?
If only I could live my life how Nagwa lives. Just sleep my life away, go to work, come back, no work. I love it.
Goals.
That's how you should live.
Me? I'm like a mum for 10 kids, bro.
Single mother with no children.
With no children,
I
not
love
even
that.
my kids.
What did you learn from year 2022? And what are you leaving behind? And what are you taking with you?
2020, I learned how to be stronger. I feel like 2022 was like the worst year I had, probably. But I feel like it made me stronger at the same time. So I'm taking away from it being grateful, getting stronger. I've learned to like be more like me. I feel like before I used to always be like, yeah, my friends or like family. Now
be more selfish. I feel like selfish is such a, people take it as a bad word, but it's actually
I feel like this year I'm just selfish. Like I'm just bad energy, you need to go.
I love that.
So we already had our breakfast. What time is it now? It's like
It is currently
6:15.
6:13. Yeah. Imagine we just had brunch. That is crazy. And
but we went because London is like, everything is so far from each other, so we went from northwest to north, and it took us like an hour.
That is like a new thing. But anyway, the drive was long. We got our food anyway. That was the good thing.
It was really nice.
The food was really good actually. I don't really mind the place, but it's so cold outside at the moment, so we're gonna drive back to the ends and see what the next adventure is.
See you soon. Oh, if you didn't clock, I'm from Sweden. I'm not from, well, isn't she the cutest? This is my auntie, everybody. But yeah, I'm from Sweden and I'm leaving tomorrow. So yeah.
So this was her idea of vlogging. She wanted to vlog, so that's what we do.
And I actually have to say that I take content creators for granted, you know? This shit is hard. So give this a thumbs up.
like, comment, subscribe.
And yeah, I'll see you soon.
That flavor nice.
It's really nice.
Hi guys, my name's Nagwa and I'm Suaad's favourite cousin. Can I just say, I think I was actually made for YouTube, but I'm just like really shy. like really shy. So yeah. And also, can I just say, Doba was really rubbish. I don't know why they said it was good, but it was actually where did we go? Cobbler. It was really rubbish and I don't recommend it.
No.
Thank you. Anyways, Suaad will come with us, so we're gonna have to drag her brother instead. I mean, it's a Suaad dupe, so it'll be okay. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We might take her camera, take her.
Yeah, we have to take your camera. Have you thought about that?
Yeah.
And I'm leaving tomorrow, so how are you gonna make this work?
You are not gonna take one.
Okay, but Suaad, we have to keep vlogging.
Yeah, you can vlog on your phone.
Vlogging is already as hard. Oh my god, my English. As hard as it is. Don't make this harder for us. Wallahi, you know, creating content is so lib, man. This can never be me. But yeah. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go to bed.
Okay. Oh, I forgot to cancel it. Oh, did I get fined? Oh.
Did you not cancel it yesterday?
No, she didn't.
Wait. Would you not have cancelled the Micklewood? You booked
Don't worry, my old cousin will pay for it. That's what.
Who's that? Because my car's the. Call AJ.
We're gonna meet him now and we're gonna have an amazing time because that's Suaad's dupe.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. I hope this month brings you guys all the happiness, the peace, and may Allah accept all our du'as and our fast. Literally, like, I can't believe Ramadan is here. Like, last year to now, it's been like a hectic year that I just need this like peaceful time and just to enjoy, you know. What I'm gonna try to do this year is do the daily vlogs for Ramadan, hopefully, if I'm able to get it together. Today is the first day of Ramadan. Already I started off with literally the worst day. My little brother wasn't feeling well. Like, he had like this cyst growing under his arm, so I had to go take him to hospital. Literally just finished the hospital not long ago, came home, took a nap. Now I'm off to go do some shopping for my mum, to get like watermelons and all of that so we can break our fast. I literally have like an hour, so Mum's cooking the food and everything. I'm gonna go run and get the last bits that we need. I wanna also do like these videos on TikTok and stuff, where I'm gonna try to do like daily videos, so hopefully we can like all benefit from this. Hopefully. Half the time I'm such a lazy person, so I don't know if I'm gonna get a lot of videos out. My face looks so shiny and I'm breaking out really badly, so I don't know how this is gonna work. I promised myself this year I'm not gonna wear makeup for the whole month. Hopefully, I just have to go Saturday because it's my friend's baby's first birthday, so obviously I have to look presentable then, but any other time I promised myself I'm not going to be wearing makeup. So yeah, let's go to the shops and get what we need. This is literally the worst time for me to come out because there's so much traffic going on. Why is there always traffic in Wembley? Like, I'm not understanding. All the time. It's 5:30. Why am I stuck in traffic? Hopefully I'm able to get through this quick because I am so hungry and I am so tired. I literally just woke up from a nap. Like, Mom was like, please can you just go to the shop? So that's what I did. But yeah, I need to hurry up. I wanted to know, have you guys like made Ramadan like plans? Like, you know, there's people that want to do better in like their religion. There's people that want to like start wearing the hijab. So there's all these different things. For me, definitely it's going to be like one of them was where I want to try and start wearing the hijab more properly, hopefully, inshallah. Every time I try it, I don't know, I feel very like not uncomfortable, but I feel very like not confident in wearing it. So I'm gonna try this month to actually start wearing it more often so that I can get used to it. I don't wear a lot of abayas either, so I want to like try incorporate that within my outfits from now on as well, and see if I can like put it all together, inshallah. The shops was so packed out, like I had to wait so long to get my stuff. First of all, there was like a whole commotion that happened because one of the customers thought, I'm buying my stuff, I'm paying you, so you need to bag my stuff. In what shop have you ever seen where you need to bag your stuff? You're fasting, you're out here screaming at this like guy that is serving you. people change when they're hungry. Let me quickly drive home because I literally have like 50 minutes to get home, and then I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I bought my mom, because you know Somali moms, they're all the same. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Let me quickly get home. Guys, I'm already running late from the first iftar. It's already 6:30. I thought it was at like 21 past or something, and I'm stuck in traffic, so that is lovely. I'm telling you, the first day of Ramadan for me is being very stressful, from going to the hospital to now doing all this shopping. Then I had to do another stopover because there's no dates at home. My mom forgot to buy them so I had to go to another shop to buy dates. Hopefully the dates that I got, mom's very picky with her dates, so hopefully I got some Algerian ones, so I hope that she likes them, and yeah, we'll see. So I'm just like literally rushing home now. I had one of the dates, it's not too bad, so let's get to the house. I just finished eating. I am so full. So my mom always cooks the food, so I'm gonna do the dishes, and let me show you guys. Not a lot today. I already did a couple, but anyway, it's not a lot. I've got to do a couple of these. I put all the food away because clearly not everyone ate a lot of food, but yeah, let's get to these dishes. So while I was running around for my mom, I got a package delivery. So excited, like there's like 20 of these. It's like all lipstick. So let's open one and see the color. This one is called Encore Energy. I don't know what kind of vibe that's giving, but let's just check it out. It's proper like packaged, proper. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, there we go. So it's like the, there you go. It's like a purpley pinky lip gloss. It's by She Glam. Let's open it and see. Oops, I ripped it already. Let's see what color we got in here. Oh, it's like a nude. Oh, it's the packaging. I thought it was like the color of it, but this is how the packaging comes. There's like a lot of plastic going on here. I have to open so much different plastic. But the packaging is so cute. Look at it. That ombre kinda. Ooh, this is a nice colour. Let me see if this looks nice on my skin. It's like a creamy kind of colour. That's the colour. I can use that for like a, when I'm doing like an ombre lip. But I like the packaging of it. It's really cute. But yeah, I got like 20 of them. So I have to like record a video explaining all the different colours and like do like different looks with it. So, and I have like 20 She Glam lipsticks. Make sure you go on their website and check them out,